Before I start, please confirm my audibility, whether I am clearly audible to all of you or not. We will be discussing on a very intense topic of SBI CBO results, the delay, and so many other things. Before that, I just want your confirmation regarding my audibility so that we will start the session soon. Is it clearly audible to all of you watching us? And I will also be taking your one to one questions. So don't hesitate to put your questions and it will be answered immediately. So is it clearly audible to all of you? Should we start? People started joining. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes, 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 yes. Ram Ram. Okay, yes. Okay, let's start. So thank you for joining us. So today we are going to discuss about SBI CBO results, the delay, and should you be waiting for this or not, right? So SBI CBO results are getting delayed due to administrative reasons. This is what we got, and last time I have also updated you the very reason behind that. It's getting delayed due to administrative reasons. There are rumors throughout the social media that the results are getting delayed only uh, because of they are thinking of cancellation of this result, but there is no such news. Big banks don't cancel such huge recruitment. 1100 vacancies are not a small vacancy. They are not canceling this at this moment. At least we don't know about the cancellation, this much I can say. But the thing is that the reason of delay का मेन कारण जो है वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन को लेकर है. And I will be telling you the exact chronology of SBI CBO recruitment. 1 year back in 2020, August 2020, they advertised first ever SBI CBO recruitment. It was a pilot project. If it would have been successful, then subsequent vacancies will be there. This is what decided, right? Then they were not decided about the written results, but due to huge number of applications, they went for written exam. But written exam was made qualifying only. Then there was interview, but in interview they have given marks. The cutoff marks somewhere is 95, somewhere it is 90, which is itself a flawed way of giving marks in interview, right? In all other exams, if you see 80 or 85, somewhere 90 is what the topper secures. The best candidate, the genius ones secure 85 or 90 mark out of 100 at best. But here the cutoff was 95. So when people went into SBI, it is found that many people don't have were not having the exact criteria or not having the exact experience they were looking for. Many finance people in also in private banks without adequate experience got into the system. So there was there were partiality, and you know all the history. We fought it. They put the confirmation test where it was normally 50% mark to qualify. They put it at 70%, 75% mark, 70% marks to qualify. So in this way uh, things got little worse day by day. Many people are claiming that they are not at par with POs. The union people were not happy. The reporting authorities were not happy. They were wanting ready-made people, those who have already worked in a private sector bank. They will deliver the fast hour productivity. So this time the process was changed. Many of them reporting authorities complained about the quality of recruitment. So the process has entirely changed. So now they will be verifying the documents even before the interview. But the selected students, those who got qualified this time, many of them don't have not submitted the exact documents, because private bank people don't give it in order. So they just submitted invalid proof of employment. And many of the qualifying students are also don't belong to core banking or banks. Some finance working in financial NBFCs have applied. So it was a humongous task, and even after searching so many documents, they finally found out very less number of people eligible for the post as per the pre-existing criteria. So now the decision was in the board. in the highest authority, in CRPD with the highest authority to take a decision whether these flawed people or with less documentation, with improper documentation, whether they will be called for interviews or not. Now it's pending. There is no news of cancellation. It may take time, because decisions of such criteria may take time, and they have already worked into all this, so they are not in a mood to cancel it. So maybe like bank of things happening in Bank of Maharashtra, in other lateral entry exams throughout the banking spectrum, they may copy and paste that criteria, like they will be calling them for interview, and before the interview the DB will take place. Okay, I have also requested few of the union leaders to force the HR to recruit this 1100 number of people, which will help in return SBI to which is already struggling with manpower crisis. It will help them. So this is the exact criteria, the exact situation as of now. Okay, such things get delayed. But this point number one, but the talking point tonight is whether should you wait for this result or you should do something else. In my view, you should start preparing for RRB. If you have applied for PNB, if you are already appearing the interviews of Bank of Maharashtra, focus with them, because SBI CBO is not final, and not getting selected is not fatal even. So please stay prepared for your next assignments. I will be giving you examples of so many people. Last year selected people have started preparation for PNBSO, because it is a scale 2 grade job. And if you are worked in a public sector bank, it any day scale 2 job is better than a scale 1 job. And like risk and credit management, there will be no direct sales, so people are preferring other scale 2 vacancies. And even RRB scale 2 scale 3 vacancies are going to out in 10 days, so stay prepared for them, right? So I will be asking few of your questions. Few of your questions. RRB restructuring, there is no news. Privatization is not happened yet, so post privatization RRB restructuring will be taking place. So government is delaying this intentionally, right? uh, Vinod Yadav, I cannot say that it will be cancelled, because the thing is that many people will get demotivated. It is not yet cancelled. Someone who has to take the decision of cancellation, he will not announce it to outside and then they will cancel. All of a sudden they will arrange a meeting and they will cancel. They will not take so much of time to cancel it. They will first spread the rumor and then they will cancel. Such things don't happen. Okay, so if it is not cancelled so far, then there is very less chance it will not be cancelled. Clear? No, it's not yet. Ashish Sharma is saying tomorrow result will come. I will not be confirming that either. Piyush Parik, please stay prepared for other assignments. It may get further delayed, and it has been told to us due to administrative reasons. So administrative reason could be anything, and SBI is taking high utmost priority not to leak any information outside. Okay, tomorrow the result will come. Is there is no such? Yes. Yes, financial awareness classes are taking place. Even financial management we have started for POI, BOI, and PNB, which we will be also adding for RRB people. It will be helping, especially in scale 3 cadre, and some of the faster two chapters will be helping RRB scale 1 and scale 2 people. Okay, there are specific batches we have launched recently. You can go through it. RRB GBO batches, RRB Scale 3 batches. This is the core team. You know all that. And this is the success. You have seen on your screens, huge success. 450 people got selected last time. So don't wait. You must start preparing. Okay, without further delay, you must start preparing it. Clear? Yes. Any other questions? When you we can expect bomb scale 3? Bomb is very quick in all this regard, so they will declare the result once the scale 2 exam interviews are over. So after last final date of scale 2 interviews, you must wait 20 days, 20 odd days. Very good question, Aditya Gupta. They may not be cancelling because such big banks don't earn money by cheating people. So they have so many other avenues to do. So they are more concerned to recruit people than us. So don't worry. All the banks, including State Bank of India, are suffering with manpower crisis. It's an opportunity for them to recruit ready-made people, ready-made bankers. Yes, special FI batch is there, so don't worry. Interview you can prepare as per your wish. Okay, interview you can prepare because we are now focusing on bomb scale to interviews. Post that, we will go with CBO. But at the same time, please be prepared, stay prepared for PNB, BOI and RRB. RRB's expected scale to vacancies will be higher than last year because last year they took very less few number of people, and this time Bob will not withhold the vacancies. Okay, so don't worry. Yes, CBO may change next year. They will also they have to change the recruitment process again. Clear? So this is the RRB batch. Don't wait or waste your time. Stay prepared with RRB batch. Our existing student will be offered some kind of discount if possible. So they should ping me. I will try my best to help them out. This time, new eBooks have been added, new things in RRB batch. So take advantage of all that. Clear? Yes. Thank you, Aditya. Any other question? RRB scale 3 expected vacancies will be very higher because last time vacancy number was 250, final recruitment was 112. So from last year there is 140 odd vacancies are pending in RRB scale 3 plus this year's vacancy. Okay. Piyush Parikh about BOM experience format they will consider. Don't worry. Uh, Please go through Jay Pratap Singh. There is no expected date, and we are also not ruling out the possible further delay. So it is told us that there are administrative reasons. So please prepare for others. Have less hope for it, but stay prepared for others too. Okay. Bank of Baroda also hold the MSME scale 3. The last vacancy, few interviews are over, and few interviews are still pending. For cutoff marks, please visit our cutoff analysis video. Very good question from Karthikeyan. Bomb scale 2 or CBO? Bomb scale 2 definitely any day. A scale 2 position is better than a scale 1 position. If you are eligible to, if you are capable enough to crack a scale 2 vacancy in lateral entry segment, then any day you will be cracking the scale 3 vacancy. CBO is not final. Many people are leaving CBO this year and they are appearing for PNB, bomb, etc. So any day scale 2 or scale 3 position is better than a scale 1 position. Even RRB scale 2 will be recommended to students than SBI CBO. Those who prefer work life balance, they can go for RRB scale 2, and scale 3 is anyway thrice better than SBI CBO position. Okay, and it is about your final decision. It is not me who will take. If you want a brand name in your chest, so you can go with SBI. If you need work life balance, healthy life, more salary, even you are getting scale to more salary than SBI CBO, then you can go with and position and quick career growth. You can go to scale 2, then you can appear another scale 3 job. Nowadays up to chairman level there are lateral entries. They are taking people from outside. So why should you worry about that? I got a very inspiring piece of comment from Hariharan TR. All information provided by Knowledgist is very accurate. Always thanks for how sir you are giving exact information. You are doing a great job. Thank you for your kind motivation. This works in our favor. It helps me. And from LinkedIn, I got a message from uh, Banaraj Jhad. Sir, I have more than 4 years of experience banking, but 6 month experience in small finance bank. I have applied for CBO. Yes, you are eligible. What is the concern? But 6 month experience in small finance bank. It's okay. It's okay. Not a big deal. 4 years you have already there. 6 month doesn't matter. 2 years of experience is required. So don't panic. Final cutoff will analyze after interviews. Will analyze after the scale two interviews are over. We'll analyze everything. So Richard Virat, don't panic. I will analyze. I will be analyzing. I'm not analyzed yet. I think you know that uh, how hectic it is to take so many interviews every night. So we are busy on that. And PNB, BOI, so many things are going on simultaneously. So we're waiting for bomb scale two interviews, mock interviews to over. Then we will discuss on that. Okay. Uh, Another very good question, sir. Is there any difference PNB SO and BOI credit officer? PNB scale 2 job, BOI scale 1 job. Okay, PNB you will be getting a better posting. So you can go with PNB if your experience permits. So thank you for all that. Thank you for your love, support, and your time. And don't forget to take part in the success batch of RRB. Last time 450 people got selected. In scale 3, we produced humongous 78 people out of 112 selected. So that is incredible. Similar kind of result no one has ever produced in the history of banking coaching, I believe. And these are all few faces of our successful candidates. You can see this is all our team. This is prime batch for scale 3, now in the name of RRB scale 3 crash course. And this is RRB GBO batch. So don't waste your time. Join the best or join nothing. So this is what our motto is. So thank you once again for your time, love, and support. And any query, any doubt, please leave it in comment. Me or our banking experts will be answering it to you. And point number 2 is don't panic and don't waste your time just waiting for the results. Stay prepared for the next big game. Thank you.